Hello, this is me, Dr. A.K. Srivastava again. Now, Mohan, थोड़ा सा धीरे करके चलाना है, थोड़ा सा धीरे. Now, on my right hand side, this is the entry gate. नहीं चलते रहो आप. Now, this on right hand side, this is the entry gate for Maharani Palace and Jantar Mantar, and very nearby it is Hava Mahal, and this is a very densely populated tourism area, which will be definitely covered by Jaipur Metro, and swift transportation will be resulting into economic mileage of the tourism sector in Jaipur as well anywhere in India, because we are mapping the disaster mitigation options for transport sector in rapid transport. Jaipur Metro we have taken. Now I am on the junction of the city. This is the key heart of the city, Badi Chaupad. I would like to quote 3-4 things related to Badi Chaupad, the disaster points. The first thing is that it is a junction for state transport, this tourism transport bus. See, the red color tourism transport bus, the foreigner buses, the foreign tourist. This as well as very costly jewelry market is also here. And see, this is Hava Mahal. And see, this is the metro junction of Jaipur Metro. We can see. So this point is very disaster prone point, and this is the Vishwanath temple here, Lakshmi Narayan ji. Nearby, आप चलते रहिए, चांदपोल होके निकालिएगा, हॉस्पिटल होकर के. And this is a public convenience, सुलभ शौचालय. And now we are entering in one of the most populous multiple entry towards the Choti Chaupad. This is Johari Bazaar. Very expensive market and very huge tourism potential. So this will be underground, in an underground module. It will be connected with Jaipur Metro by the Jaipur Metro. Actually, today security is very tight due to the sudden terrorist attacks being intimated. Red alert has been issued. So we are crossing to Chauda Rasta, that is a parallel gateway to the main market, to the college students as well as old Jantar Mantar entry also. I'm just fortunately I am on just on the pit point of Chauda Rasta. That red light indicating left to that is Chauda Rasta, and immediately on adjacent that right side it is entry gateway to the Jantar Mantar. So parallelly we will be covering the both. After 3 seconds we will move. 3, 2, 1. थोड़ा चौड़ा रास्ता पे थोड़ा सा धीरे निकालो सीधा. This is चौड़ा रास्ता and this is parallelly adjacent gateway. हाँ, आप स्पीड ले लीजिए. So I have again opted the best mode to cover the grassroots level of research for the disaster management, the grassroots level of survey. Let me show some few key points also, key identified points also. Now, in accordance with the sentiments of the people, there are many times the infrastructure has to be diverted from being constructed. Similarly, there is a religious sacred temple here between the roads. So, and now we have crossed the Choti Chaupad, the second joint of the city. See, this distance is near about just 250 meters, but on an average भैया थोड़ा जयपुर मेट्रो के बगल वाले बोर्ड से निकालना आराम से, हैं, थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करके। दिस इज वन ऑफ द जंक्शन पॉइंट्स ऑफ जयपुर मेट्रो। चलते रहो एंड दैट इज अ रिलीजियस टेम्पल देयर, दैट पॉइंट। And there are 4 junctions, so definitely it makes a huge conjunction in mobility when Jaipur Metro is being activated. So what I recommend, the exit doorway must be far away from the places, because this 150 meters can be easily traveled by pedestrians. It's my view, I do not comment on any of experts design, but it's my view. Okay, this is one more religious construction here, the sacred religious temple. 2, 3. Okay, with this I wind up my capsule review. Now I will be going to the next main point. Till then, Satyamev Jayate, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.